Hi guys, I'm Kelly.
I'm Adele.
And today in art class we are going to be drawing an owl. Little hooting noise there. Okay, to start, we are going to do the eyebrows first. So draw a little arch on the page like that. Okay, and then put 2 lines diagonal sticking out from there. The eyebrows. You can turn that into a triangle. Like that. And then, yeah, to close it, do the same thing.
Looks like a superhero, little.
Yeah. Okay, and then next you do the 2 big round eyes. Like that. And to make the owl pretty cute, you can do the little shinies in the eyes, where you make 2 circles. Like this. And then color everything in but the circles.
We color in
Like this. Like that.
messed up on the eyes a little.
That's okay. Yours looks great so far. Big, nice, shiny, adorable eyes. Finish coloring them in. And then we can move on to the body, which will be start up here and just do a big oval on the page.
Reminds me of a potato.
Good. Next, draw the wings shape like that, almost like a curved triangle kind of. Those are the wings. Okay, and then you can do the beak, where you just do a little triangle here. You can even close it off like that. Oh yeah, I like how you did the little curly at the top. Colored in. Okay, and then you can do the feathers next. Now, you could probably do the feathers in different shapes, but you just go like this, doing round like that. Almost like scales on a fish or mermaid. Like a little U.
Oh, they said like a little U.
Yeah, like a little U. You can do as many of those as you want. Probably even make them in a little V shape, almost like a beak. Oh yeah, I like how you did the lines there. And even do that. Okay, so next we gotta put feet on our owl. So what you do is draw little lines like this. You can do 3 of them. They're like talons or claws. Like that. Yeah. And what are we missing?
A log.
Oh yeah, a log or a
like a tree
branch to sit on. So you just make lines like that all the way through, so it looks like your owl is sitting on a branch of a tree. You could even put it off the page almost like that, so it's like it's connected to a bigger tree. Yeah, little leaves at the end. Okay, and then you do little lines to show that it looks like bark, some texture. Looking good, looking good. I like it. It looks like a tree. Ooh, I like those curly texture lines.
What?
You're gonna put a moon in the background because it's nighttime. Very good. It looks really nice. Okay, Anything else, or do you think that we should start coloring?
I think we should start coloring.
Yeah, this was actually a really good one. It's not super hard, but it's not super easy.
Purple, like a violet.
Yeah, it's like a less blue than normal. Man, I love yours. The little tree and the blue eyebrows just makes the colors mix so well.
I love your stars and your moon.
Thank you.
Finally did it.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.